Imagine looking into a mirror and seeing a version of yourself that made completely different choices. A version where you never walked down the path you are on today, where your greatest failures became your biggest successes, or where the Earth itself evolved under a different star. This is not science fiction. This is the staggering mathematical implication of the multiverse theory. For decades, the concept of parallel universes was confined to comic books and fantasy novels. But today, the frontiers of quantum mechanics, cosmic inflation, and theoretical physics are forcing us to confront a reality that is far more complex, terrifying, and vast than our single universe. The question is no longer just about what exists beyond the stars we can see, but whether our entire reality is just one bubble in an infinite, cosmic ocean of universes. This is a deep research masterclass into the absolute truth of parallel realities, proudly presented by Awan Industries. To understand the truth of the multiverse, we must first look at the boundaries of our own cosmic home. When we look out into the night sky with our most powerful telescopes, we are looking at the observable universe. This is a sphere stretching roughly 46 billion light-years in every direction. It is bounded by the distance light has traveled since the Big Bang 14 billion years ago, but logic dictates that space does not simply end at the edge of our vision. Just as an ocean explorer cannot see past the horizon, we cannot see past the cosmic horizon. Beyond that boundary lies the unobservable universe, which mathematical models suggest could be infinite. If space is truly infinite, an extraordinary and mind-bending mathematical certainty emerges. In an infinite space, there is only a finite number of ways that particles can arrange themselves. The matter that makes up your body, the planets, and the stars is composed of a limited configurations of atoms. If you deal a deck of cards an infinite number of times, eventually, the exact same order of cards must repeat. In an infinite cosmos, particle arrangements must repeat. This means that if you travel far enough into deep space, past trillions of light-years of empty void, you will eventually run into an exact copy of our solar system, an exact copy of Earth, and an exact copy of you. This is the Level 1 multiverse, a direct mathematical consequence of an infinite universe where every possible history and configuration must happen an infinite number of times. But quantum mechanics takes this concept into a far more bizarre dimension through the many worlds interpretation. In our everyday macroscopic world, things have definite positions and states. A coin is either heads or tails. But in the subatomic realm of quantum physics, particles exist in a state of superposition. This means a particle can be in multiple places or states at the exact same time, existing as a wave of probabilities. It is only when an observation or measurement is made that this wave collapses into a single, physical reality. For a century, physicists have argued about why the subatomic world behaves this way. In 1957, a physicist named Hugh Everett proposed a radical solution that shattered our understanding of reality. He argued that the quantum wave does not collapse. Instead, every time a quantum event has multiple potential outcomes, the universe splits. Every single time a decision is made, every time a particle moves left instead of right, the timeline branches. If you choose to turn left at a crossroad, a parallel universe branches off where another version of you turned right. In this quantum multiverse, every choice you ever made, every historical event that ever occurred, and every alternative path exists simultaneously in separate, non-communicating branches of reality. There is a world where the dinosaurs were never wiped out by an asteroid, a world where ancient empires never fell, and a world where your life is completely unrecognizable. This is not a metaphor. The mathematics of quantum mechanics perfectly supports this interpretation. suggesting that our reality is constantly fracturing into trillions of new universes every single second. While the quantum multiverse deals with branching timelines, cosmological research provides evidence for a different kind of system known as cosmic inflation. In the earliest fractions of a second after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a period of hyperrapid expansion, stretching space faster than the speed of light. Theoretical physicists like Alan Guth and Andre Lind realized that this inflation might not have been a one-time event. Instead, inflation could be eternal. In this model of chaotic eternal inflation, the fabric of space is constantly expanding at a furious rate. However, certain pockets of space slow down and stop inflating, forming stable, cooling structures. These pockets are called bubble universes. Our entire observable universe, with all its billions of galaxies, is just one single bubble floating within an infinitely expanding, energetic cosmic matrix. Outside our bubble lie countless other bubble universes, each born from its own independent Big Bang. Because these bubbles are separated by space that is expanding faster than light, they can never touch or communicate. Crucially, the laws of physics do not have to be the same inside every bubble. The fundamental constants of nature, such as the strength of gravity, the mass of an electron, or the behavior of light, are determined by how a bubble forms. In one neighboring universe, gravity might be so strong that matter immediately collapses into black holes, preventing the formation of stars. In another bubble, atomic bonds might be too weak, leaving the universe as nothing more than a cold cloud of unbonded particles. We live in a fine-tuned universe simply because our bubble has the exact physical parameters required for complex chemistry and organic life to evolve. The implications of these theories challenge the very core of human philosophy and science. If an infinite number of universes exist, then everything that can physically happen is happening right now. It forces us to ask deep questions about the nature of identity, fate, and cosmic sovereignty. Are you truly an individual, or are you just one thread in an infinite cosmic tapestry of variations? If the multiverse is real, the concept of chance disappears, replaced by absolute certainty across a grand, infinite scale. Until recently, testing these theories was deemed impossible. But modern astronomers are searching the cosmic microwave background radiation, the ancient leftover heat from the Big Bang, for physical proof. Scientists are looking for specific, circular patterns of temperature distortion that could indicate our bubble universe physically collided with a neighboring universe in the ancient past. A bruised universe would provide the ultimate, undeniable proof that we are not alone in the cosmic void. We must continue to decode the cosmic algorithms, push the boundaries of quantum computing, and refine our physical models to map these alternate realms. The path to understanding reality requires us to look past our sky and imagine the infinite architectures of the cosmos. The multiverse is the ultimate frontier of human knowledge. It challenges our perception of space, shatters our understanding of time, and reveals a reality that is beautifully complex. We are standing on the shore of a cosmic ocean, looking out at an infinite number of worlds waiting to be understood. Will you remain confined to the boundaries of a single world, or will you help decode the ultimate architecture of the cosmos? Thank you for watching this deep space research documentary presented by Awan Industries. If you are ready to command the next era of cosmic discovery, master the underlying algorithms, and lead the technological shift, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification icon, and leave your strategic thoughts in the comments below. Keep building, keep commanding, and stay sovereign.